Meghan Markle et le prince Harry ont été embêtés par leur échec à retourner au Royaume-Uni cette année, avec un commentateur royal disant que la possibilité de s'éloigner de leurs deux familles n'est pas idéal pour les philanthropes. Cela survient après que le prince Harry n'était pas présent au mémorial de son grand-père, le prince Philippe, le mois dernier. Parlant de son absence, l'expert royal Richard Fitzwilliam a écrit sur Twitter: Harry et Meghan sont en fait confrontés à la perspective, à l'exception de sa mère, de s'éloigner de leurs deux familles, ce qui n'est pas idéal pour les philanthropes. S'adressant à Newsweek, M. Fitzwilliam a décrit la décision du prince Harry de ne pas assister au mémorial de son grand-père comme extraordinaire. Il a déclaré: Vous pouvez comprendre la position de Harry après l'expérience terrifiante avec sa mère, mais a ajouté: Ne pas assister au service d'action de grâce au prince Philippe était extraordinaire. Il a poursuivi: La reine a presque 96 ans et elle n'a pas rencontré Lilibet. J'aurais pensé que tant donné que la santé de la reine était manifestement inégalée, qu'elle avait des problèmes de mobilité, vous auriez certainement pensé qu'il ferait un effort pour la voir. Mais M. Fitzwilliam a déclaré que les prochains Jeux Invictus pourraient être une bonne opportunité pour le retour de Harry. He said, We know that he is very fond of his grandmother and it is an opportunity which I think he ought to take. On the one hand, Meghan is estranged from her family apart from her mother and they've both become estranged from the royal family. It begins to look strange. No one knows what may happen in the coming months, and with the relationships between the Sussex and the royals being as they are. Teresa Rift, we know there is. It would be within everyone's interest if the rift was at least partially resolved. Fellow royal expert Ian Lloyd, author of The Queen, 70 chapters in the life of Elizabeth II, said that Harry's absence at Philip's service was notable. He said, I think he needs to be aware that in America they quite like family value and so he would need to be aware that if he apparently snubs the Queen by not visiting, I don't think it would go down well in Britain or in America. He added, his failure to attend the memorial service for Prince Philip was quite a notable absence when you think he was the only one of the 8 grandchildren not to make it. When asked about the possibility of Harry paying a visit to Europe for the Invictus Games and bypass in the UK, Mr. Lloyd said, he should call in. It would be very embarrassing if he didn't. The problem is the case regarding security with the Home Office. He added, he's got to balance the fact that he hadn't seen his grandmother for a while and she hadn't seen Lilibet. This comes after Prince Harry said he was unable to return to the UK until the Home Office agreed to let him pay for police protection. A statement from his legal representative said, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex personally fund a private security team for their family, yet that security cannot replicate the necessary police protection needed whilst in the UK. In the absence of such protection, Prince Harry and his family are unable to return to his home.